get perfect natural look using AI that learns from you. So to put the AI or to teach the Aftershoot AI your natural editing style, you know your LR, right? When you use Lightroom and you create your project file of Lightroom. So inside that project file, whatever photo you have edited, it has all the settings, all the adjustment you have made. You want to import that so it can learn from you. So click on AI profile at the top, and over here, this is one of my AI profiles. Now I need to import more. What I can do is click a new profile at the top, click on create, and I just need to click on use Lightroom preset. And whichever preset which I have created myself, I can just drag and drop it over here. So the AI analyzes it and learns what kind of like effects, lighting style, coloring I use. So it learns from it. Next time I try to clear my image or edit my image using AI and to bulk edit it, Aftershoot learns from my preset and applies it and just makes my work really fast. So that's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.